How to find draft post on Facebook? Open Facebook app and make sure to log into your Facebook account. Now tap on what's on your mind at top of the screen and write here something. Once you write, just try to come out from this without doing anything. And this pop-up will appear where you can tap on save as draft. Once you have done that, when you tap on the notification bell at the top right corner, you can refresh the page and tap on you have a draft set. Here you can see the list of all the drafts on Facebook. If you want to publish the draft post, then you can tap on it and tap on the next button at top right corner and post it. Otherwise, if you want to delete it, you can tap on three dots and tap on discard draft. And now tap on delete. So that's how we easily find the draft post on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.